Hello friends, welcome to our channel Trade Topic. Today I am going to show you some basics of WordPress. You can make WordPress account by just giving the some information basic like email ID and password. When you log into your WordPress account, your dashboard is look like screen. You can see how WordPress this account is look like. Here are site list for all options are available. If you want to open the dashboard, just type WP admin behind your domain name. When you open your dashboard, is ask for login to your WordPress account, or you can use your username and password. Dashboard have some options like this. Here are on left home is there. Some plugins, if you install plugins, all are listed on left corner of your dashboard. If you want to add post pages, all options are available in your dashboard. Here are plugins. If you want to add plugins from add new, you can add. New plugins, or you can search your install plugin. If you want to add post on your site, here are the options. All posts showing post list of your sites. Add new, you can, with the help of add new, you can add post in your website. All post have some blocks, title block and writing block. In title block, you can write your title of your post, and in this typing block you can add image or whatever you want, like gallery, images, cover, audio, words. If you want to embed a post from Instagram, Facebook, also you can add. All these features are available. Same, if you want to add pages, you can go to the option of pages, add new. When you press add new pages, this blog is also same as the post blog. Here you can add title of your pages and start writing of your page details. You can publish your page with the help of publish button. And if you want to customize your theme or add theme, you can go to appearance and select themes. When you go to the theme options, all themes are available. Free themes and features theme, you can use add new. With the help of add new, you can add new themes. 2019 all themes are available. You can search your popular theme, latest theme, favorite themes. If you want to install themes, here is the option of install. With the help of install, you can install the theme on your WordPress on your website, and you can also preview theme with the help of preview. So friends, all this tutorial is just basic, and in upcoming tutorial you can I will give you some another extra advanced information about WordPress. Thank you.